Hello everyone! Today, you will learn how to configure the pop-up interactive map feature in ArcGIS Online. Pop-ups display descriptive information about collections of common features, also known as feature classes on a map. The default pop-up will show all the list of attributes associated with the feature layer. Configuring a pop-up allows you to hide or show information that emphasizes the information you want to highlight on your map or project. Pop-ups are displayed when you click a feature class on your map. The title of your data is displayed above the black line. For instance, in this video, you can see the feature layer of Oregon's population data from 2019 is Oregon Population 2019. The default title for the pop-up is Oregon_population_2019, where underscores replace spaces in the title. Because this is a population map, only data related to Oregon's population and other relevant information are selected for inclusion. To configure a pop-up, click the three blue dots on the left side of your table of contents found below your data's title. Then click Configure Pop-up. On the left side of your screen, there are different options you can configure. You can change the title and attributes. Additionally, you can import images and charts and add attribute expressions. Before you change the title, you must also know how to configure attributes. So click Configure Attributes under Pop-up Contents. So with the menu to configure attributes now opened, you can see that your list of attributes is under a field name and a field alias. You can change the name of a default field under the field alias column. A field alias is an alternative name for a specific field which is more user-friendly than the default field name. It is easier for your audience to recognize what the field corresponds to. Sometimes a default field name may make sense to you, but not for your audience. So using a field alias would be beneficial in this case to clarify a field. In this case, a county is under curly bracket alt name in the field name column. You can also change the field alias here. The changes that you make in your field alias will be reflected in the attribute table. However, when you change the field alias, please note that the field name will not change. If you want to use a field as part of your pop-up's title, you will need to use field name along with the curly brackets. So make sure to change the field alias if it is not clear enough for your audience. In this case, curly brackets alt name is difficult to understand, so I will change this to county. Additionally, the arrows on the right side of the configuration menu will change the order in which your attributes will show up within the pop-up window. Lastly, a check mark next to each row indicates whether you will show or hide an attribute. To quickly deselect everything, click the box next to Display. All fields will be deselected, allowing you to select the boxes for the rows or fields that you need. In this case, I will select curly brackets alt name and curly brackets population. If your data table is long, you will likely need to scroll down and be able to view and select or deselect specific fields within your dataset. Once you have all the data you want to hide or show, click OK at the bottom right corner. Now looking at the left side of your screen again, you can use your list of attributes to easily name your title. If you want to name something after an attribute, you will need to use curly brackets and the field name. Please note that you can still use the field names that you hid from the pop-up. Just like when you communicate directions to a person, the order of your words matter. In this case, I will type curly brackets INST name, population 2019, under pop-up title in the box located near the top of the menu. This command sequence is telling the pop-up window to display the custom title with the county name, population 2019. Once you're done renaming your title, click OK at the bottom of your screen. Now, make sure everything is correctly displayed by clicking any feature class on your map and reviewing the information displayed on the pop-up window. And that's it! Now you know how to configure your pop-ups. Be sure to check out our other videos.